it's just so easy. Watching what you need TV.
My name is Shanta Patton, and you need to keep watching What You Need TV.
And I love it, you guys. It's kind of ironic. What you need is a Shanta right here. Like, God, wow, okay, on the red carpet.
That's exactly what you need right about now, especially tonight.
So what brought you out tonight? Shanta, right? Am I saying that right?
Shanta.
Shanta. What brought you out tonight? Shanta.
I'm actually coming to support my friend Kuda. He's in the music business, and it's his birthday today, so I had to come out and support him.
It's Kuda's birthday too, dude. Keisha Cole, Ashante, Detail, Kuda.
Ashanti, Keisha
It's my birthday too.
It's your birthday too?
No, it isn't. I wish it was. It seems to be the birthday day.
Yeah, no, I had to come out and support him. There's a bunch of people here. We're all like just trying to have fun. It's Columbus Day. People have to work tomorrow, but I don't, so I want to make sure that I'm having a good time tonight.
So let me ask you a question. Have you had classes on being sexy on the red carpet? Because you got the perfect pose. What y'all think? Just bam. Yeah?
No classes, but, you know, it just feels natural. So it's no classes on being sexy. It's just, you know, being yourself. It just comes natural.
Do you have any projects you want to talk about? Anything coming out?
Right now I'm on the cover of Black Men's. Last month it was King Mag, and I have a couple of short films that are coming out that I'm working on. And a major film, I can't really say the name of it, but it's coming out in February that I'm going to be starring in. So.
Right on. Well, I got to get a picture with her, the cover girl. Ooh. That's What You Need TV, you guys. Keep watching.